Good morning, we're up bright and early this morning to get a train down to London. I'm heading to check out the amazing work that we've been doing with Brent Council. So you can just see over my shoulder Terry, who is one of our technical delivery managers, shooting a demo video.
So what we've been doing on site today is helping Brent Council to engage with the local community to educate them on electric vehicles and how they can charge on the street. Electric vehicles are still quite new and there is a lot of misconceptions still going around. We're hoping by engaging with the community early, we can help support them, answer their questions and make the changeover to electric a lot more simple and reliable. So 60% of homes don't have access to off-street parking, and this is normally one of the blockers when it comes to transitioning over to electric.
We've installed over 140 EV charging points across 80 locations in the borough.
By deploying more infrastructure within Brent, we're hoping to help these residents make a positive change by changing from their petrol to electric cars.
It's so important not only making sure that we've got an abundance of infrastructure around the borough, but also making sure that the residents know how to use it in order to make that switch to EVs even easier.